Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use SuperProf and give you my honest review of the platform so that you can decide if it's the right thing for you. So in this video, I'll quickly explain what SuperProf is, how it works for students and tutors, the fees involved, and the main pros and cons. So this is helpful if you're thinking about booking lessons and if you want to know exactly what to expect before paying anything. So first up, what is SuperProf? So SuperProf is an online platform that connects students with tutors around the world. Students can help with academic subjects like math and science, or hobbies like music and cooking. So tutors can offer lessons online or in person, depending on what you prefer. If you are a tutor, you can create a profile, show your qualifications and experience, set your own rates, and manage your schedule. You connect with students directly through the platform. Now, how do you find a tutor? Go to the SuperProf website. So in the search bar, type the subject that you want to learn or choose from the suggested categories. Then select whether you want online lessons or a tutor near you. After that, you will see a list of available tutors. Use the filters to narrow down your options. You can filter by price, level, location, and more. So this step is very important because picking someone randomly may not give you the best results. Click on tutor's profile to see more details. You'll see their hourly rate, response time, experience, and reviews from past students. Some tutors are labeled as ambassador, which means they have strong profiles and positive feedback. So always read reviews carefully to check if the tutor is consistent and reliable. Now let's talk about the fees. For students, there is a one-time fee called the student pass. The price depends on your location, but it's usually around £50 or €50. So this gives you access to contact tutors and book lessons. So for tutors, creating a profile is free. However, if they use SuperProf's secure payment system, there's a 10% commission per lesson. The tutors set their own rates, so prices can vary depending on experience, subject, and location. And here are the main pros. So there is a wide variety of subjects. You can choose online or in-person lessons. You can read reviews before booking, and you may find affordable options if you compare prices carefully. And the main cons is tutor quality can vary since anyone can sign up. The student pass fee can be a barrier, and lesson prices are not fixed and can vary a lot. So is SuperProf right for you? It can be a good option if you want flexibility and a wide range of tutors. But if you don't want to pay upfront to contact tutors, or you prefer strict qualification checks, you may want to explore other options. The best way to decide is to visit the platform, check the tutors available in your subject, and compare the pros and cons based on what your needs are. So that's my honest review of SuperProf. I hope this helped you understand how it works. And thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.